Claude Artifact is a dynamic, interactive output generated by Claude AI that goes beyond simple text responses. These artifacts appear in a separate window during conversations and can include things like code snippets, diagrams, websites, and interactive components.
Today, we are in Claude AI, and we are going to take this for a drive. The new Claude 4.1 Opus is out. So let's take our drop-down menu and make sure we have the model selected. And today we're going to be building an artifact. So you want to make sure that you have extended thinking turned on and that in the settings you have your artifacts turned on. We can upload files, take screenshots, make our connectors, or use a previous project. So let's build our prompt. We're going to create a dashboard to analyze our reports. So I'm going to want an upload button. And nice display. I want to include comps, analysis of what I've done, call it, let's call the analysis of the report, see how that goes. I'm going to have it ask me questions to make sure it understands the request. And this is obviously not a prompt that I have prepared in advance. We're just winging it and having fun. So it's got some questions it's coming back about. Lots of questions, in fact. All right, so let's see how these questions go. Gosh, what type of reports am I going to be uploading? Comprehensive appraisal reports. The file is going to be PDF. What data or sections do these reports contain? A property outline, the approaches, sometimes less, and a conclusion. Question 4, what kind of comps? These are comparable properties. 5, what is analysis would be most valuable? Let's do all of them. And a Monte Carlo simulation for good measure. What are the prominent features in my reports? Everything, especially the graphs. And for the design, a single dash, tabs for the approaches, use my color branding, which is red, black. Include my logo. And let's go and grab this file. White background, colored boxes with drop shadows. And don't forget the upload button. Spelling is something to be desired on the quick typing. I think we got it. Let's see how that goes. All right, kicking off this artifact, and it's going to get going. First thing it does is split this screen up, you can see, and begin adding the code. And we can watch it clean the code. It's getting my logo in place, getting the colors that I specified, making sure that the background and the layout is all in place. Here it's adding some padding around the tabs, creating some elements for the dashboard, some hovering elements. Looks like there's going to be some details added. Got some Monte Carlo results coming up for a box. That's good. I asked for that. And some confidence and conclusion ratings. Excellent. All right, it has finished the body. And now it's going to work on some laying out elements. We're going to let this cook. All right, here we go. That took about 7 minutes, and it has got this dashboard. It's given me an overview, evaluation summary, and it's got some market trends. These appear to be placeholder numbers, and the tabs are not working. All right, so let's try to fix that. See, the tabs aren't working, and here's the exact logo that I uploaded. Then we will test the upload. In fact, let's just test that now. Oh, it does want to upload, so we'll do that full test after these edits. So we're going to hit return, and it's going to go back to the code. All right, we're back with Claude, and it actually took a few iterations. See, I did have to go back to it to get these tabs to work and to get a summary worked on here. It still doesn't have any market trends. It hasn't quite figured out the logo, but the tabs do work. It's got the comps stacked here. It's got some adjustments on the side. Each of the tabs is working. It shows the cap rates used. Let's see here, cost approach. That's pretty good. And Monte Carlo is not a very meaningful result. So let's add some kind of commentary on the bottom. See what that does for us. Well, that just took a few minutes. And here we can see at the bottom now, we have some executive commentary and analysis, some recommendations, and a confidence statement. So this is a nice addition. We still are missing the market trend visualizations. Let's see, under the sales comparison approach, we also have some summary pages. So at this point, we're going to give this artifact a publish, and we're going to take a look at it. All right, here we are in the final version, and it's got the ability for us to select and upload a report, which we've done here. You can see where it loads the report. It says it's got the final information here. And then it displays our comps, some adjustments. The Monte Carlo simulation is still not very meaningful. The trends still did not come up, but it does have this nice executive commentary down at the bottom that we could analyze. Now, this artifact is going to need some more work. It's definitely not at its final stage, but we have in fact run out of credits for today. So we will have to come back tomorrow or another day and continue working on these artifacts. This is an iterative approach. That's where we are. Anyway, thanks for watching today. This is how to generate artifacts with Claude, and this is our Appraisal Report Analyzer version 1. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.